My people, how una dey today o? Welcome to another episode of Street MBA with Kapick, where we dey decode business wisdom wey no dey for textbook but dey work for street. Today gist get weight o, no dey overthink, just start cause action na your real capital. See for dis life, idea no dey pay rent o, na execution dey pay rent. How many times you don hear person talk say, "Omo, I get one mind idea wey go blow." You go check back 6 months later, the idea still dey inside im notebook. Meanwhile, another guy wey hear similar idea don already dey cash out because e no wait make all condition perfect. One example, student wey be apprentice for barber shop, one day im oga go village, customers still dey call, instead make today say oga never come next week. The guy carry clipper go meet customers for their houses. From there, people start to know am as the mobile barber. Before 1 year, im don get im own small shop, corner shop, all because e take action when opportunity knock small. My people, overthinking na like sitting down for okada wey no dey move o. You still dey burn fuel but you no dey go anywhere. You dey wait for perfect website before you start selling clothes online. Meanwhile, your neighbor dey post for WhatsApp status and dey sell out weekly. Another example, Amaka wey sabi do puff-puff wey sweet die. She keep saying she go start when she get big fryer and shop. Her friend just tell am, "Babe, start with that frying pan wey you get now." First day, she sell 20 packs for office. She post for Instagram story. Now every day na puff-puff day. Her customers dey pre-order since Tuesday. Imagine say she still dey wait for shop, or she for still dey her dream o. One secret wey I wan drop be this: your first version no go perfect, but e go teach you wetin customers really want. Even big companies dey test small before dem invest big. Na so street smart people dey win. Test am with small change, adjust quick, then you can scale up. Stop dey fear mistake. Mistake na street school wey cheap pass university. The earlier you act, the earlier you know wetin work and wetin no work. My people, no dey wait make life set before you start o. Na small step today go lead to big step tomorrow. Na the man wey show up first dey show market o. So today, write down one small action wey you fit take and do am before 24 hours. Post your progress, tag Street MBA with Kapick, make we ginger you. Till next time, remember, action na your real capital. I be your guy Kapick. Stay sharp, stay moving. Street MBA with Kapick don close for today. Don't forget the lesson learned. Apply it well. Wàá ṣeré.